Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your M6 smart band to your smartphone and also how to fix the band if you cannot find it on the app. First thing first, we will need to download the FitPro app on the Play Store. Access the Play Store on your smartphone and find FitPro. Click on Install. Make sure the smart band is charged. Touch and hold the button on the smart band until you see hello on the screen. After the app has been installed on your phone, open the app and click on agree 2 times. Make sure Bluetooth and location are turned on your phone. Find your M6 and click on it. The watch will be connected to your phone. Now, if for any reason you cannot find your M6 on the smartphone, you will need to reset the watch first. To reset the smart band, touch the button few times until you see more. Once you see more, press and hold the button for a few seconds and again touch the button until you see reset. Touch and hold until hello appears on the screen. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.